Hello, my name is Donna. This is DC Education. It is all things elementary education. Today's video is a continuation of a program to help struggling readers. This is Let's Read Step 2. Vowels. Memorize the short vowel sounds. The learner will read each sound aloud and practice until memorized or until mastery. The learning coach will help ensure mastery. A, apple. E, egg. I, igloo. A, octagon. A, umbrella. As added practice, you can print the slides to create flashcards. You can and should mix up the order of the cards. Keep practicing the short vowel sounds to achieve mastery. Think of your own activities that you can do to help your learner ensure mastery of short vowel sounds. Happy teaching, happy learning. I hope you find this short video helpful. If you would like the Google slideshow, just let me know in the comments below, and I will hope to see you for the next video. Thank you. Bye.